Hello, second graders. Your Sunday worksheet is worksheet number 109. You are going to find two words that sound alike but are spelled differently. So they have different spellings and they mean different things as well. They're homophones. So if I have tail, I want to find the word that matches tail. Tail. So this is like I tell a tall tale. This is like my cat's tail is long. Okay, now I have days. I have to find the days. Days. Here's days like days of the week. And this is like I am in a daze. D-A-Z-E. Make sure you have you're spelling them correctly because they are spelled correctly everywhere on here. Then when you are done with the top half, you're going to go on down to the bottom half here. There's three parts. So you're looking for the words that sound alike but are spelled differently and they have different meanings. They are homophones. Good luck.